you're going to do any show, then Professional Beauty XL is the one event you've got to be at.
This is the show that you need to come to, whether or not you live in the UK or internationally. It's an opportunity to speak to salon owners, other beauty experts, and I think it's absolutely phenomenal.
We were packed solid all day yesterday, met lots of new people.
They managed to pull the crowds in, generate a lot of interest.
We love seeing new clients. We saw more of our existing clients than we've ever seen yesterday.
We're still a relatively new brand in the UK, and to be at this show here just lets people know who we are, what we're doing, how we operate. At this show we can get that across to them.
Good quality visitors on our stand. We opened quite a few accounts yesterday, very pleased with that. And I do think that this is our one chance to showcase our company and our products.
It is the one show that we absolutely love being at. It's really important for us to meet with our existing stylists and stockists, showcase everything that we've got going on, and as well meet all the new people that are interested in training with HD and interested in the brand.
We'll be here next year and the year after and the year after that.